want to offer my sincere thanks to the Baptist Union of Wales Churches for their support through the Talents of Hope appeal. Christian Aid Zimbabwe and the people of Zimbabwe are really, really grateful for the support. We are excited to hear about all the activities that will be taking place, like the walk, 750 miles for the length, combined lengths of Wales and Zimbabwe. That's really exciting for us to hear. We're also grateful for your prayers. And we believe that via the Talents of Hope appeal, we'll be able to reach more communities, to increase their resilience, and to just give them hope for a better future. Thank you so much for standing with us for dignity, for equality, for justice in Zimbabwe. Diok, thank you. Tatenda, siyabonga.